Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to stay with us or fast forward until the beginning of the actual practice. Good morning, Gina. Happy Saturday to you too. All right, it is time for us to start, and today we continue with one of the 16 guidelines. Forgiveness, such a huge topic that we're going to stay on it for a few more days actually. Today, I want to read a chapter from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then, good morning, John, and then we will do a reflection based on that. Mark Nepo writes, "The pain was necessary to know the truth, but we don't have to keep the pain alive to keep the truth alive." I'll read that again. The pain was necessary to know the truth, but we don't have to keep the pain alive to keep the truth alive. This is what has kept me from forgiveness. The feeling that all I've been through will evaporate if I don't relive it. That if those who have hurt me don't see what they've done, my suffering will have been for nothing. In this, the stone I throw in the lake knows more than I. Its ripples vanish. What it really comes down to is the clearness of heart to stop defining who I am by those who have hurt me, and to take up the risk to love myself, to validate my own existence, pain and all, from the center out. As anyone who has ever been wronged can attest, in order to keep the fire for justice burning, we need to keep burning our wounds open as perpetual evidence. However, living like this, it is impossible to heal. Forgiveness has deeper rewards than excusing someone for how they have hurt us. The deeper healing comes in the exchange of our resentments for inner freedom. The deeper healing comes in the exchange of our resentments for inner freedom. At last, the wound, even if never acknowledged by the other person who have hurt us, can heal, and our life can continue. It is useful to realize that the word forgive originally meant both to give and receive, to give forth. In keeping with the original meaning, we can see that the inner reward for forgiveness is the exchange of life, the give and take between our soul and the universe. It is hard to comprehend how this works, yet the mystery of true forgiveness waits in letting go of our ledgers of injustice and retribution in order to regain the feeling in our heart. We can only hope to begin this exchange today, right now, by forgiving what's broken in each other and imagining through love how these holy pieces go together. So let's explore this together. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in, acknowledging all the circumstances of your practice today. You can start with the external circumstances, connecting with the sounds and sensations of the outer world, and then gradually, slowly zooming in on your inner world, your physical sensations, your thoughts, your emotions. Scan your body from top to bottom with each exhale. leaning just a little bit more into the support of the ground, trusting this support just a little more. Keep your breath soft and easy, uncontrolled. And let this easy breath be your invitation to soften a little bit through your body, mind, and heart. Select your primary anchor, your breath, or a sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that your mind has wandered, that you are not here anymore. As you breathe in this easy and soft way, let yourself feel the pain of a wound that you carry. Connect with it in whatever detail that feels okay right now. To the extent that does not feel overwhelming, let yourself feel the pain of keeping the wound open as evidence of what you've suffered. And now allow yourself to put this indignity, the injustice, the woundedness down. And as you inhale, take in the softness and the freshness of the air around you, allowing new energy, new life to fill your body. And as you breathe out, send a gentle message of forgiveness to this wound. That is, exchange the part of you that is defined by this hurt for the part of you that without your consent keeps healing. If it helps, you can repeat mentally or out loud. I recognize my suffering, and I choose to forgive the person who has wronged me now. Or if you are not able to forgive completely, remember you can always just plant the seed of forgiveness, setting an intention. It is my intention to forgive whoever it is you need to forgive when I am able. It is my intention to forgive him or her when I am able. I'll be silent for a couple of minutes, so that you connect with your direct experience. As you inhale, taking in the freshness of the new energy, the energy of healing. And as you exhale, forgiving the wound, the person who has wronged you, or setting an intention to forgive. And now let's send the energy of loving kindness to this particular wound that you are now letting go of little by little or completely. May this part of myself be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice whenever any woundedness comes up for you, and to remember that you don't have to keep the pain alive, to keep the truth of this experience alive. You can let go completely or little by little, creating space for healing, for freshness of life. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.